All right, so I know we're not the only ones. We've all had it happen. We've got our luggage just leaving the airport, and somehow they have managed to make wheels pop off. So this set was actually awesome. It's going to save you from having to get a whole new luggage set. If there is any of the wheels left, go ahead and remove those. This one's going to come with the wheel. It's going to come with spacers. It's going to come with the little silver bolt there, and then it's going to come with the screw. Super simple, easy to put together. My husband did this in probably 10 minutes flat. It's going to also come with the little Allen wrenches. So basically to tighten it, you're going to push one on one side and screw in the other with the other one. Now, this works fabulously. The suitcase is able to glide. It moves like it's its own personal wheel, like the wheel came with it. Just make sure that you're getting the correct size, the height of your other wheels. Otherwise, I recommend replacing all of them at the same time. That way your suitcase is still going to roll nice and glide smooth. Look how simple that was. And then to cover up those little screws, it's also going to come with the plates, just like on tires. It's going to come with like little rims. Perfect, easy to do, and it saves you from having to buy new luggage.